Good morning, everyone. As we begin this most momentous and eventful celebration in our lives as teachers, allow us to read to you an affirmation of teachers by Stacy Bonino. I'm so much more than just a teacher.
I am a counselor and psychologist to a problem-filled child.
I am a police officer who controls a child who has gone wild.
I am a travel agent scheduling our trips for the year.
I am a confidant that wipes a crying child's tear.
I am a banker collecting money for a ton of different things.
I am a librarian showing adventures that the storybook brings.
I am a custodian that has to clean certain messes.
I am a psychic that learns to know all that everybody only guesses.
I am a photographer keeping pictures of a child's yearly growth.
When mother and father are gone for the day, I become both.
I am a doctor that detects when a child is feeling sick.
I am a politician that must know the laws and recognize the trick.
I am a party planner for holidays to celebrate with all.
I am a decorator of a room, filling every wall.
I am a news reporter updating our nation's current events.
I am a detective solving small mysteries and ending all suspense.
I am a clown and comedian that make the children laugh.
I am a dietitian, assuring they have lunch, or from mine, I give them half.
When we seem to stray from our values, I become a preacher.
But I'm proud to have to be these people because
I'm proud to say I am a teacher. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the 2020 National Teachers Day and World Teachers Day virtual celebration of the City Schools Division of Tandag with the theme, Gurong Filipino para sa Batang Filipino. And so to start with, let us all show respect for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, followed by a series of prayers from the Knowledge Channel with a prayer for education against COVID-19 and a prayer for teachers.
Thank you, everyone. The mediocre teacher tells. The good teacher explains. The superior teacher demonstrates. And the great teacher inspires. They guide us. They support us. They inspire us. They teach us. Today is the day to thank them and greet them. Happy Teachers Day. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a glimpse of our teachers in action.
Wow! Our teachers in action, despite the challenges you are facing now, are commendable. We are very lucky indeed that with us today to grace and to witness our occasion are the dignitaries in our community. Let's welcome Honorable Prospero A. Pichay, Congressman of the 1st District of Surigao del Sur, Honorable Alexander T. Pimentel, Governor of Surigao del Sur, Honorable Roxanne C. Pimentel, City Mayor of Tandag, Mrs. Elijane G. Luna, City Federation President of the Parents Teachers Association, Dr. Imelda N. Sabornido, Schools Division Superintendent, and Dr. Segundino A. Madus Jr., Assistant Schools Division Superintendent.
Let us also welcome our division personnel from the CID and SGOT, as well as the in charge of the 4 districts, their school heads, faculty and staff, students, parents, and all stakeholders of the school communities watching us now. Leadership in education is about learning. The learning of others has to be at heart of the decision-making of any educational leader. Today, we are privileged to have with us the top-notch of education in the division of Tandag City. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the pride of Tandag City Division, Dr. Imelda N. Sabornido, Schools Division Superintendent, in her welcome message.
Indeed, teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. Congratulations once again, Teachers in Action from District 1.
Leaders are like eagles. They don't fly with the flock. They explore new heights and challenge themselves and others who soar beyond the norm. This is how we describe our Federation GPTA President, who will give her message. Please welcome Mrs. Ella Jane G. Luna.
Congratulations, Teachers in Action of District 2. Truly, a teacher affects eternity and brings out the best in a student. In all our educational endeavors, this exceptional woman has always been our great support. Through thick and thin, our very own local chief executive of the city of Tandag has always been on our side. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Mayor Roxanne C. Pimentel for her message.
Congratulations, Teachers in Action from District 3. Absolutely, teachers can change the lives with just the right mix of chalk, pen, video cameras, and challenges. According to Cicero, what nobler employment or more valuable to the state than that of the man who instructs the rising generation? We believe this is the reason why, despite his hectic schedule, attending to many affairs of the province, he spared his precious time to be with us in this memorable occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Chief Executive of the province of Surigao del Sur, Governor Alexander T. Pimentel, in his message.
Thank you very much, Governor Pimentel, for your great support to the Department of Education in the province of Surigao del Sur, particularly in the city of Tandag.
Congratulations, Teachers in Action of District 4. Certainly, teachers can be seen not only in pleasant times, but also in difficult ones.
Coming up is another public servant who considers education as the most valuable in the society. Let us welcome Congressman Prospero A. Pichay of the 1st District of Surigao del Sur in his message.
A teacher's purpose is not to create students in his own image, but to develop students who can create their own images, and to pay tribute to the teachers whose service and commitment to the Department of Education had reached 35 years and above. This audiovisual presentation is for all of you.
At this juncture, let us draw more inspiration from our oldest living retiree in the teaching profession.
Thank you for leading us to the threshold of wisdom, and thank you for your lifetime service and commitment for the betterment of humanity.
Ralph Nader once said, "A leader has the vision and conviction that a dream can be achieved. He inspires the power and energy to get it done." We also have with us today to inspire our teachers at the same time to give the closing remarks. Please welcome our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Segundino A. Madhos Jr.
That winds up our celebration of the National and World Teachers' Day this year. This has been your host, Annalisa Sanco
and Micmar Salvano, saying that if your actions create a legacy that inspires others to dream more,
learn more,
do more,
and become more,
then you are an excellent teacher. Thank you everyone for joining us today. Keep safe and healthy.
God bless us all.